All right, guys, here it is. It is finally here, the Andar capsule. Whoa, I've been waiting to check this out. And you've already seen, if you haven't seen, hit the link in the description and you can see I have the matching SAN for their Apple Watch band. So this is the Andar capsule for the second generation of the AirPods that I have. And I'll bring those in and try these on. But again, full grain leather with them. So be sure to know that when you're making the purchase. So you do get 15% off with the code JWilliams15 down below. So be sure to check that out. And I am really, really excited to bring this to you. So I think there's a little pull tab right here. Just like that. Look at the presentation. Wow, this... I just got to tell you, with this being full grain leather, it just feels, man, it feels really good. This is like the perfect, this is perfect. It feels really good, folks. You can tell that this is full grain leather. So I know some people might have some reserves about getting full grain leather, but this is very affordable for it to be full grain leather. So let's go ahead and try it on. And be sure to hit the link down below. Sure to hit the link down below so you can get yours. I was pulling this out. All right. Now there is adhesive at the top up here, so make sure, and you can see here, the little reading says, please remove the adhesive on there. So make sure you do that. And then it's just a little tab in here. We'll face that down for a second. Ooh, that is sticky. And we'll bring in the second generation AirPods. And we'll go ahead and put the bottom portion in first. This will slide right in. Just like that. Oh, that is snug. Make sure you want these when you get them. Because, you know, you're going to have these on there for a while. Let me clean this up here. That's some adhesive or something from the prior. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, make sure you clean your AirPod case up before you do so. And this goes on. Now, don't put this on wrong, folks. This open part should be on the back. Just all you have to make, because it's going to open like this. So just make sure it's clean. Make sure you remove the adhesive and give it a good push. Because the adhesive is going to, oh, that is beautiful, folks. Seriously? Yeah, that's clean right there. That is a beautiful setup. Love the color. I have a belt this color and some shoes this color, which is why I wanted to get this color right here. And the watch, the band, and the capsule for the AirPods, and coming soon, the case for the iPhone 15 Pro. So popping it open here, again, remember you want this area right here like this, so it can go open like this on the back. And then you have a nice, beautiful setup. This is so sleek. This is a beautiful setup, folks, right here. No ifs, ands, or buts. This is a great combination. You can see your LED light there for when you're, it indicates the power level. So I'm at 100%, so that's why you see it's full green. But you got your opening here for a lanyard if you want to do so. And you got your speaker out, the little area there, that sound thing. And then you got the charging port there, type C. So this is it, man. Looking on the back here, all cases are going to be open like this. And there it is, man. Such a beautiful, beautiful setup. This is beautiful. So shout out to Andar, man. And be sure to hit that link down below. It is an affiliate link where you can get 15% off using the code JWilliams15. Just hit the link, use the code, and grab a big discount on these. And these already don't start at a high price anyway. So get your Apple setup right with some nice full grain leather from Andar. I think you'll enjoy it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.